Our little dream castle, with every dream gone, is lonely and silent. The shades are all drawn. My heart is heavy. I gaze upon a cottage for sale. The lawn we were proud of is waving in hay. Our beautiful garden has withered away. Where you planted roses, the weeds seem to say,